Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to look at how to center a title across a table in Microsoft Excel. Most people highlight their cells and click the Merge and Center button. While this works visually, merging cells can cause frustrating problems later when you try to copy columns, sort data, or use formulas. Instead, I will show you a much better professional method that centers your text while keeping all your cells perfectly intact. First, click and drag to select the cells above your table where you want the title to be centered. Next, right-click anywhere on that highlighted selection and click on Format Cells from the drop-down menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control-1 to open this menu. When the Format Cells window opens, click on the Alignment tab at the top. Look for the section labeled Horizontal, click that drop-down menu and choose the option called Center Across Selection. Finally, click OK. Your title is now perfectly centered across your table, but if you click on the row, you will see that each individual cell is still separate. This keeps your spreadsheet clean, professional, and fully functional for any future formatting. If this quick tip helped you streamline your workflow, please like this video and subscribe to ClearTask. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.